Compound gears use multiple gears on the same axle to take a rotary motion input and create a rotary motion output. The direction of travel for the input will be opposite for the gear on the next axle over, but every other axle has the same direction of rotation. To increase torque, a smaller gear on the first axle can connect to a bigger gear on the second axle. This second axle can also have a smaller gear that then connects to a bigger gear on a third axle. Repeating this pattern will leave the output with a very little speed but increased torque. The flow of power is reversible for compound gears, which in this case decreases torque but increases speed. Additionally, compound gears do work in both directions, either clockwise or counterclockwise. You can find these where generated power must be regulated before usage, or where large speed changes are required, or to get different outputs moving at different speeds and torques. Mechanisms like a gearbox in a car regulate output this way, as do lathe machines.